Today we're here at the SEMA show in the Oracle lighting booth looking at new products, and we've got something really cool here. This is our new LED plus laser fog light module for the Ford Bronco. Here we have a SAE DOT standard fog light, and here on the side we've got two laser modules. These project light at over 3,200 foot projection distance, which is really unparalleled as far as an option for the Ford Bronco. Another cool feature is that each one of these modules is individually adjustable by these regulators here. So you can dial it in regardless of your lift or tire package. Installation super simple. We're using the factory hardware with the Bronco modular bumper. We've got two wiring harnesses that are included. One is for on-road use for the fog light. The other is for strictly off-road use for the laser. So we hope you visit oraclelights.com to learn more about the Oracle laser fog lights for the Ford Bronco.